have to first be united ourselves. Which is why I said, if you grab this flyer and don't come, what you're saying is you want to be divided. You want to continue. You made a statement and said we don't support each other, right? Well, before you say that, but you did make that statement that we don't support each other, right? So if y'all don't come to class and join me, then you're not supporting each other. We're not doing it. Now, it says the weapons of our warfare are not carnal. Keep going.
But mighty through God.
That's what we don't want to understand. The might has to come through God. We all think we children of God. How many think you're a child of God? Put your hand up. Don't be afraid. Right? You know your father's about warfare. Your father's a killer. Your father will destroy nations. Your father will revenge. How many parents out here? If anybody touches your child, will you not defend them? Now, let's say if your child, the reason why your child is getting beat up is because he won't listen to you. Would you keep defending him then? It'd be a hard decision, right? That's a good question, right? It might be a hard, because in your brain you like, I'm going to help him, but he's running right back out to run with the same guys I'm helping him with. So imagine your son getting beat up. And so you defend and fight your son and say, okay, don't hang with them cats no more. But then he go right hanging with them cats again. And then you help him again. And he go right and hang with him again. And then you help him. At some point, you're going to say, my son like getting his ass whipped. I'm not getting my ass whipped no more. I'm not going to keep saving him. That's the Most High. Now imagine your son, after he keeps getting beat and beat and beat, he finally come down to you, beat down and say, Father, I've learned that it's better to listen to you than to listen and run with them, because I keep dying when I'm with them. That's how you're supposed to serve them. Like, that's black people today. Black people are the most beat down. And when I'm saying black, I'm talking about my blacks and my Hispanic brothers. We're the most beat down people on the face of the planet, but we keep running to them instead of the Most High. That's why the Most High ain't fight. The Most High is not going to fight for you, and he's right to not fight for you, because you're not fighting with him. He wants to get rid of your oppressors. That's why I'm reading this verse to answer the the sister's question. So it said the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, but mighty through the Most High. Keep reading.
To the pulling down of strongholds.
That's how the strongholds get pulled down. When y'all read the story of Passover, and not the Charleston Heston version, where he like, let my people go. Moses wasn't a punk. Moses wasn't soft or none of that. What did Moses have to go on the run for? He had to go on the run because he saw an Egyptian beating his brother, and he killed the Egyptian. Moses was not soft. And when he came back, he wasn't soft. And he said, let my people go. Moses didn't lift a finger against the Egyptians. He just told them to let them go. Do y'all realize that Moses went to the Egyptian and just asked if they could just go serve their God for 3 days? He said, we'll come back and work for you. Just let us serve our God for 3 days. And Pharaoh said no. Moses didn't attack the Egyptians. Moses didn't harm the Egyptians. He just told them of the plagues that was coming. We don't harm the white man either. We just tell them of the plagues that's coming. Everybody with me, right? Keep reading.
Casting down imaginations and every high thing that exalteth itself against the knowledge of God.
It says, and cast down the imaginations of everything that try to stand against the Most High. That's why we have this image here. This image is an example of what has been allowed to stand against the Most High. So we have to show y'all this image. Nobody knows that man is Caesar Borgia. Nobody knows that Leonardo da Vinci painted him, and that was Leonardo da Vinci's lover. That this man slept with his own sister. The white man couldn't even pick a righteous white man to be who they say is Jesus Christ. He still had to pick a nasty bastard to be Jesus Christ. And you know why he did it? Because he hates God. And because he hates everything that Christ stands for. Because Christ said, I am not sent but unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel. You know he said that to? A white woman. He let that white woman know that he was not about her people. He let that white woman know that he's about the children of Israel, that he's about black people. that's the same thing we saying. That's why the white man hates us. Keep going.